Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could fix a camera not working in your Windows computer. If it's a Lenovo, Acer, Dell, whatever computer, and despite the edition of your Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, or even 12, I will show you how you could fix that. The first step, what we want to do, we want to go to our search bar and type Device Manager. Click on the Device Manager to open. As a next step, we want to check for camera. And at this stage, you will have two possibilities. The first possibility that you don't see camera at all, or you see it. If you don't see it, hold on, I will show you how to fix that. If you see it, you want to click on it and click Update Driver. And here you will have two possibilities again. It will either update and it will tell you drivers updated, or it will tell you that this device has the latest driver. If it updates the driver for you, restart your computer, try to use the camera, it should work. If it doesn't update or the camera doesn't work or you don't see it at all, here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna close this one and we'll go to our browser and we'll type download drivers and we'll put the brand of our computer. At the beginning, we'll initiate with Lenovo and then I will show you for Dell, Acer, and HP. The same technique applies to any other computer. Click on support.lenovo.com if you are using a Lenovo computer. Type, if you have HP, you can type HP drivers download. And you need to open support.hp.com. If you are using Acer, you can type Acer drivers download and hit enter. You want to open www.acer.com. And the people who uses Dell, you can type Dell download drivers. You want to click on www.dell.com with the company logo. So to begin with people who has Lenovo, we are going, it redirected us directly to Lenovo. So at this stage, it took me directly. So we're gonna go to PC support, browse products, or what we can do, we can just click search PC and we'll put the brand or the edition of our computer. I'm using an E14. You will have several options if you are using any kind of Lenovo. So make sure to select the correct one. For example, T420, etc. So make sure to enter the correct model of your computer and select it. As a next step, click on drivers and support. Click on manual update, select driver. We will locate the camera. At this stage, we want to make sure that we are downloading the latest version of the driver. Normally, here as you can see, May 2022, and here integrated camera driver November 2022. So we want to download the latest one. And you want to download integrated camera driver. You have the README. This is only a document to read. So click download. Once this little software has been downloaded, you will need just to double click on it and install it as you install any software. Perform a fresh restart and the camera should work. If it doesn't work for you, then hold on. At the end, we are bringing another solution. So here it's finished. Just as I said, double click on it and install it as you install any software. Now we're going to initiate with the people who has HP. So laptop, ProBook X360, enter the model of your computer. Scroll down, select the operating system. If you don't know your operating system, regardless of the computer you are using, just go to your search bar and type dxdiag, and it should give you data about your operating system. So here it is a Windows 11 Pro 64. What version? It doesn't matter. Just select Windows 11 or Windows 10 and click Submit. At this stage, scroll down and try to locate camera. In some cases, you might need to search by using the Control F option, and you will find it under driver, keyboard, mouse, and input devices. You will see it as Realtek webcam driver or webcam driver. So we want to select the most up-to-date one. Here we have about 3 options, 1, 2, 3. We're going to choose the latest one, the 24 May 2023. Just click download. And here, as it was downloaded, just double click on it, install it as you install any software, restart your computer and check the camera. If it works, that we want. If it didn't work, stay with us until the end. I'm going to show you the final solution in that case also. For the people using Acer, just type your Acer model and wait for a few seconds until you are loaded to the page of the computer. Hopefully we enter a laptop and 315. So we're going to choose this model of computer. And here we will be looking for webcam or camera. Make sure to select, by the way, the correct operating system. So we might need to load more, and we'll try again camera. So here we can see camera, camera driver, ICP, and camera driver. So we will proceed with downloading both of them and installing both of them in this case. So download both, and once they are finished, you can just install them, restart your computer, check the camera. If it works, that's what we wanted. If it didn't work, stay until the end. I will show you the ultimate way for all computers. Finally, we are reaching DELL, so we can type DELL Vostro. You can choose your correct computer and wait for a few seconds, and then we'll need to choose to download or install manually. Select drivers, find specific, select the operating system accordingly, and we need to find video, I think, or it's not here, so we can try to find the camera. If you are not able to find it within the drivers, just go to keywords and type camera and hit enter, or you might need to change it to webcam and you might find it. So here I have found it, so just click on it, select for download, and you will need to begin the download accordingly. Download selected, and wait for a few seconds so that the download starts. So as it's been downloaded, just double click on the software, restart your computer, check the camera. If it worked for you, that's what we want. If not, then we're reaching the final option, which is we need to check the settings of our computer. So camera, click on the camera settings to open. And at this stage, since the driver has been, if it was missing, you install it. If it was outdated, you have updated it. So the last remaining are 2 options. Either you have in your keyboard a camera button on the keyboard, which you need to click on to remove. So just check your keyboard and you might see something like this where there is the little icon or the little logo of a camera on one of your keyboard buttons. In some computers, it comes like this. So click, if you see it in your keyboard, click on it to open the camera or to make it work. If this works for you, okay. If not, then you might need to change the settings of the camera in your computer. So click on settings, camera settings, and you should show advanced controls should be off. And as a next step, go to your settings. And here what we need to look for is about security and privacy. So click on privacy and security and scroll down until you see camera, application permissions, and make sure to enable the camera here. And make sure to select let app access your camera and choose the correct apps. So for example, you might find that Teams has the camera off, so you might want to select it. And after that, just close and reopen your camera and it should be working for you. So now we're gonna just test it. And finally, it's working. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.